In this video, we're going to talk about continuous line drawing, a simple yet profound technique to transform your sketchbook. It's drawing with a single unbroken line, where your pen or pencil starts and finishes its journey without leaving the paper. This method isn't just about creating, it's about seeing, understanding, and expressing with simplicity and flow. For those who carry a sketchbook, this technique is a treasure. It teaches you to capture the essence of any subject with minimal strokes. It's not just drawing, it's a dance of the hand and eye where every line matters, whether you're sitting in a cafe, traveling, or just observing everyday life. Continuous line drawing turns these moments into artistic opportunities. At its heart, continuous line drawing is about simplicity and connection. It's an art form where your drawing tool touches the paper and doesn't lift until the drawing is complete. Imagine a single flowing line that tells a whole story. That's the magic of this technique. The history of continuous line drawing goes back to the early 20th century, born out of artistic movements that valued minimalism and expressive simplicity. Artists like Picasso and Matisse explored this technique, capturing the complexity of forms with just one line. The key characteristic of this style is its unbroken line. It's about trusting your eye and hand to work in harmony, moving across the paper to capture shapes, forms, and emotions. This line is more than just a part of the drawing, it is the drawing. And the beauty of this technique lies in its minimalistic approach. All you need is a pen or pencil and a sheet of paper. No fancy tools or elaborate setup. It's art stripped down to its essence, making it perfect for sketchbook artists who often find inspiration in the spur of the moment. Continuous line drawing is not just a technique, it's a tool for growth for any artist who loves drawing in their sketchbook. It sharpens your observation skills. With this style, you learn to look at the world differently. You see the essence of your subject. It's about capturing the core, not getting lost in the details. This method also fosters creativity and fluidity. Your hand moves freely, your mind opens, and suddenly lines flow like water. It encourages you to let go of perfection, to find beauty in the simplicity and spontaneity of the line. This freedom is where creativity thrives. Moreover, it simplifies complex subjects. A busy street, a detailed face, or a chaotic scene can be overwhelming. Continuous line drawing teaches you to distill these complexities into a single, flowing narrative. And it's ideal for quick sketching. Whether you're capturing a fleeting moment or a brief emotion, this style is perfect. It's quick, efficient, and expressive. For artists who always have their sketchbook at hand, continuous line drawing becomes a reliable companion in your artistic journey. To get started with continuous line drawing, let's start with the basics. Begin with simple objects. A coffee mug, an apple, a chair. These everyday subjects are your first teachers. They train your hand to follow form and shape with ease and confidence. Keeping the pen on the paper is the golden rule here. It's the discipline that defines this art. The line starts and ends in a single, uninterrupted journey. This constraint is what frees your creativity, pushing you to find new ways to see and interpret. Embrace imperfections. Your lines won't always be perfect, and that's okay. Each line is a reflection of that moment, that feeling. These imperfections add character, telling a story that only your hand can tell. Varying line weight and speed adds depth and emotion. A heavy line can show shadow or weight. A light line, delicacy or distance. Speed changes can create a sense of movement or calm. These subtleties bring your drawings to life, giving them a voice. Incorporate continuous line drawing into your daily practice of sketching. Make it a habit. Sketch something every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, you'll see a transformation in your work and your way of seeing the world. Your sketchbook will become a gallery of growth and exploration, a testament to your artistic journey. As your journey with continuous line drawing evolves, it's time to challenge yourself further. Introduce complex subjects into your sketches. Tackle the intricacies of the human figure, the bustling energy of cityscapes, or the delicate details of nature. These subjects will push your boundaries, honing your skills in capturing essence and form. Playing with abstraction opens new doors of creativity. Let your line wander, creating shapes and forms that may not exist in the physical world, but resonate with emotional truth. Abstraction in continuous line drawing is like composing music with a single note, yet creating a symphony of feelings and impressions. Integrating continuous line drawing with other techniques enriches your artistic vocabulary. Combine it with shading, hatching, or even watercolor. Let it interact with other styles to create something unique. This fusion not only enhances your artwork, but also broadens your perspective as an artist. Your sketchbook becomes a playground of experimentation, a place where art is limitless and ever evolving. To truly embrace continuous line drawing, practice is key. Here are some exercises to sharpen your skills and expand your artistic range. First, drawing household objects. Start with the familiar. Pick objects around your home, a lamp, a pair of shoes, a plant. Focus on their basic shapes and contours. This exercise will help you get comfortable with the technique and train your eye to distill forms to their essence. Second, you can focus on capturing human figures. Human figures are challenging, but incredibly rewarding to draw. Start with simple poses, maybe a friend sitting or someone standing in a coffee shop. Observe the flow of the body, the curves and angles, their anatomy, how shadows are made, and light hits their body. This practice will improve your ability to capture life and movement. Third, outdoor sketching challenges. Take your sketchbook outdoors. Try sketching a tree, a car, or a street scene. The dynamic and unpredictable nature of outdoor settings will push your speed and adaptability, enhancing your skill in capturing the moment. Fourth, abstract compositions. Let your imagination lead. Create abstract compositions that focus more on emotion and expression than on realistic representation. Experiment with line flow, intersection, and overlap. This exercise will free you from the constraints of realism and open up new avenues for creative expression. Each of these exercises builds upon the last, helping you develop confidence and versatility in your continuous line drawing journey. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.